Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to improve audio recording quality on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, go to Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and install Dolby On app. Now install the app. Now you can open the app, skip it. I'm not going to sign in, and I will just start audio recording really quickly. You can also start normal recording, video recording, but I'll just do the audio recording just to show you how this app works. Got it. Now in the bottom left corner we will be able to see our gallery. Let's go there. Here is the recording that I've just made, and if this icon is colorful, it means the audio is being played with effects of Dolby On app. But if you would like to hear the difference between the raw version, you can just tap on this button and this icon should turn gray. And if this icon turns gray, the audio is going to be played raw. So that's going to be all. If it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.